Hello, beautiful people. How are you? Hope you're having a wonderful day. My name is Nadia, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing 4 reasons why you might be seeing angel number 711. Alright, so let's break it down. Angel number 711. First, I'd like to say that we're a little disappointed. Got my girls all ready. We were all ready. We went out to the nature trail and they closed it down. You already know why. Alright, but anyway, let's get into it. Angel number 711. So, number 7 is a number of spiritual awakening and good fortune. Number 1 is a number of new beginnings, leadership and creation. And master number 11 is the number of intuition, illumination, and mysticism. So the first reason that you might be seeing angel number 711, it's a message to follow your heart, because following your heart will connect you with your higher self. The second reason that you might be seeing angel number 711 is because new and positive information might be on its way to you. The third reason that you might be seeing angel number 711 is because you need to pay attention to your thoughts. Your thoughts might contain some very powerful spiritual information. And this makes a lot of sense because number 7 is also a number of psychic abilities, and number 11 is a number of intuition. So that goes together, and that's what makes it very powerful. Now, the fourth reason that you might be seeing angel number 711 is because number 711 carries a message to invest in your personal spiritual growth. You might start seeing 711 when you get to a stage where you feel like you have gotten to a certain level of spiritual growth and you feel like you're not growing anymore. You might feel stuck. And if you feel that way, this is a message that you are evolving and that all you need to do is invest in your spiritual growth to get yourself out of the feeling of being stuck. Invest because you are in the beginning of a spiritual cycle, not at the end. So investing means whether it's reading more, taking a class, studying, whatever it takes, invest. That's what it means to invest in your personal spiritual growth. So my personal experience with seeing 711, I remember this happened within a week period of time. I remember at the kind of like in the beginning of this awakening, I would have a lot of the buzzing and vibrating out of body experiences. They would happen at least 2 to 3 times a week. They would happen. I remember one morning specifically, I woke up at about 6:30 to get the girls ready for school, and I would be so tired around this time that I just wouldn't want to get up. And I would just lay there for a while and I'd be thinking about stuff, thinking about the buzzing and the vibrating, all the experiences I would have, and what does it mean? I would think a lot about it, but I remember specifically one morning when I dozed off and fell back asleep. I remember waking up like, oh shoot, because I realized I dozed off, and I remember looking at the time was 7:11. So I do remember seeing that a couple of times. I remember even going to the 7-Eleven gas station, and I remember specifically one time I bought a cup of coffee, a muffin, and I needed some eye drops. I bought some eye drops, and the total came up to 711. It wasn't until I got in the car that I realized I'm at the 7-Eleven gas station and my total was just 711. But at that time, I was thinking a lot. I was trying to figure out a lot what was happening to me. So I feel like that was a message to me that my thoughts hold a lot of powerful spiritual information. And a lot of times we think our thoughts are just like this fairy tale type of thing, like this can't be real. What I'm thinking is something you see in movies. It's not really real, but there's a lot of powerful spiritual information in our thoughts. And once we acknowledge it and realize that that's what it is, that will help us along our spiritual path. That would help us with our spiritual growth. So I hope this video gives you some information that helps. I try to make this really quick because I gotta get back to the girlies if you don't see them back there behind me. I want to thank you all once again for watching my videos. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Peace and blessings.